a lot of people wanted to know how to do the graphics part in Word, but I might take you outside Word. So it might be a canva.com. And this is new things that we're trying to learn. We're not limited to one software as a service, okay? So we could go out and expand and look what's out there, the services that's given to us, okay? All right, go ahead. Are you recording, Nakia?
Yes.
All right,
I
awesome.
am. Yep.
So today we're going to learn about to do a poster, one in 365 Word. 365 Word has this limitation on making those graphics on the Word. I'm going to show you how to do it and go on to the canva.com and make a really professional one. So let me go share my screen here. Can anyone see my screen?
Yes,
Okay.
we can.
So I did this in Canva. This was easy, a few clicks. And I'm going to teach you how to do this. This is a poster. Now, once you make the poster, you could print your posters out as a service and have it delivered to you. All right. A lot of these companies, they kind of doing this thing. Sometimes they'll hire a graphic designer, but a lot of them, some of them cannot afford the graphic designer. They start out small and they have you do everything as a receptionist. So if you're a receptionist, if you could do stuff like this, like graphics, the more the better. I mean, you could put down your resume. This is what I did in Word. It may look like a flyer, but it could also be a poster. It's not that spontaneous, okay? But it's very limited to do on Word. There's things that you could do that you could put templates, okay? You can use templates. But the problem with templates, like let's say this is a flyer type template, okay? This same applies to any posters, anything. Now you could change the thing here, but the format is kind of difficult, okay? You have to have some kind of learning curve on Word, and I haven't really went through that yet. So, and you go insert, you go online, and I know I'm going too fast, but you could always go back. Just say you want to put this, and I'm just giving you an example what you could do with this. You could replace these, but getting template is not really customized. Sometimes your employer will probably want something that's customized the way he wants it. So you got to learn how to do that. Now, sometimes you may want to use the template as a starter if it's close to what he's looking for or what you're looking for. Maybe you're just doing it for yourself or for a volunteer. Let's just go to a new, let's start new. Let's start a new project here. Now, if you see this right here, okay, let me move this here. What I did was you always insert a table. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables. 5 tables, I got 3 columns, 3 by 5, okay? All right, so I put event, and let's just copy this because I don't feel like typing this, you know, this is too much. Actually, I merged these two. What I did, I select all those, actually all the 3, and I go to table layout, and I'll merge the cells. And then now we're just gonna paste that in, copy that. Now, I know I'm going too fast, but you could always go back and review this. Now, let's go to the insert. Now, I've showed you all this before. We're going to insert this, and of course, we'll go to the insert tab right here. And you have to go online pictures. And these pictures are not copyrighted. They are license free, so you'll be able to use it for your company. So So let's just say beach. I'm going to put something different here. I don't want to spend too much time on this. Now, this is what I learned from my experience when making anything graphic design. Your first thought is always the first impression. Basically, if you second guess and second or third guess on anything, people is not going to catch it right away when they look at it. It may look nice, but your first idea is always the best idea. That's my thing. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's just put another picture. We put beach. Let's just use that one, just like this here. Okay, it's very simple. It's not really difficult to do. So now we're going to merge this. We want to make this one block. So we'll take these two here, select all of these, and then we'll go to layout, not the design. We go to layout and merge the cells. All right, so when your blinker's there, see that insertion point, we want to insert your pictures again, or you could go to your hard drive and do it, but beach. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking of beach right now. I really am. Now you want to get a picture that's like more, instead of landscape, more portrait looking. So this is more landscape. It's gonna not fit in that little picture there. So let's just take this one. Now you want to straighten that out. Just click there and align center, okay? Click that. You want to make this a little bit bigger. All right. And there you go. Now we're not done yet. Of course, we're going to put the text. We're just going to highlight this one here. Bold it. We're going to do 18 points. Make sure this is not Calibri, but Verdania, which is easier to read. So when you're doing with posters, you want something that has no tail on it. So that's Verdania. Oh, yeah, I got to put this here. We're going to do dividers. If you see here, dividers, I got it from the insert. Of course, I got it from the layout, online pictures. And you want to put divider. Now you have to put PNG. PNG is a portable network graphics, okay? This replaces GIF files, which is PNG also has transparency background. So you don't want anything that's in the background. You want to overlap, okay? All right, you don't want too much stuff on there. Just make it simple, because what your main thing is, your pictures and your text is the one that is to have, you know, you want people to concentrate on that. Now, just say if you have too much there, you want to crop it. That's a cropping tool. Your cropping tool's on, and then what you do is just crop it and then hit enter. Boom. Select, Control C. Let's just take that down, enter. Control V is in paste. Now you want to backspace that one. Okay. So far it's starting to look like either this could be as a flyer or a poster. So a poster, you could have it sent to a manufacturer and have it done for you for $14. Like if you see the poster I have up here, see that? That's 36 by 48 or something right there. That was done on Photoshop, and you could get that done. I don't know how much they charge, but there's different places. I'll show you. There's a place like in Canva and Vistaprint and some other ones, but we'll check out the price. Okay, so far we're there, but it doesn't look satisfactory because we want to make everything look smooth, okay? So once you click on the picture, your contextual tab will come up. This is a picture right here. And if I were you, you could go down and take any style, but this will be better. It's the faded edges because it looks a lot better. See? We took that. Okay. Now, if you're wondering how I got those icons there, let's go over here. Let's just put some hearts here. Of course, we do the insert. Anything graphics, we do insert. We go emojis, okay? And then more emojis. Then I will go down to look for that. There you go. So you could add your graphics there from your emojis or the symbols. You could do this too, but I like the emojis better because it looks better. Okay, let's start putting the colors. Now with colors, you don't want to go too crazy with colors when it comes to posters, okay? What you want to do is pick 2 colors, 2 to 3 colors, and that's it, within different shades. Okay, so with this one, I'm gonna change the color. I'm not gonna make it peach color or blue color. Let's make it something different. So what you do, you click that empty spot there and you go to the design. You want to go shell shading, okay? And these are different hues. I usually go for the lighter colors when it comes to a lighter, beach, or it depends on your, dark colors. It depends on your poster. You do dark colors if you're doing anything like no smoking or smoking kills or anything depressing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put, if you don't like these colors, I would go to more colors, see? And then what you do, you just go to the hues. Let's go fuchsia. It's not pink, but well, that's pink. That's fuchsia color. Okay, so we're gonna do fuchsia, and also we gotta look at the complementary color to fuchsia color should be this. I think it's a lime color. Let's do that. You want to keep it either those two, or you don't want to go too crazy on these colors, because what you're doing, you're advertising your picture and your text, and whatever you're advertising. So I'm just in random putting the colors here, okay? Now you could put 3 or 4 colors, but make sure they are complementary. And what I mean by complementary, that they kind of match almost, but they're different color. I don't know if that makes sense to you. Okay, so let's do a background color to this, but it has to match one of these. So let's do the fuchsia up to the light fuchsia color, okay? So very light, almost right there. And then we're going to do this here. So I'm just giving you an example. This is not going to be the best poster that you're ever going to see, okay? But it is acceptable. A lot of employers will look at this like, hey, yeah, that's pretty cool, because they can't do it. You as a receptionist can, Now let's take this line out. Let's take this out. I usually, oh gosh. Table layout, oh no, sorry, table design. And you want to go to the plain table 4, just like we did on the tutorial. Oops. Actually, that was a mistake. Actually, if you do that, it will erase the background. I kind of forgot about that. I'm sorry. You want to do let's try this. Nope. Okay. Just bear with me. Hold on for a minute. Where is it? There's a thing that you could make the lines lighter without having to affect anything. So I'm trying to look for that. I thought I saw it somewhere. Okay, let's go to the tables. Table. Well, anyway, you see how I did this, okay? This is not hard to do. Now, if you were going to do templates, that's okay too, but it's not customized. It's going to be customized to the artist, not to you. All right. But this is how you do it in your own customization in Word. Now, if you had the Word application instead of the 365, you will have more options and more features, and you're able to do a professional poster just like you do in Photoshop. Okay. Now, if you don't have Photoshop, there's a free version, and I'm going to show you this. Now, it's called Canva. Let me just make this bigger. Okay, you go to canva.com, and all you have to do is just sign in. And once you sign in, you can pick any type of setup. Okay, so right now we're going to do poster, 18 by 24 inches. If you want to do logo, you click on here. I'm going to do presentation, click here. This has a lot of features. Okay, don't be stuck on Microsoft 365 or Google. Okay, this stuff for those who really wants to create, you go to this. Okay, so right now we're going to do poster. Okay. Now I already did one, and if you see, you already seen how this looked. This is okay, you know, it's not too bad, but I'm gonna try to recreate this. Let me just put that right there, and let's go over here. I just drag and drop it. Okay, we're in the poster mode, so what you want to do is go to, where's my little thing? Okay. We go to background, okay? So we're gonna look for the background. This is the background. You pick any background you want, but make sure it's in, you gotta remember, you gotta think of a theme of your poster. Remember, it should match your theme, okay? You can't go crazy in these backgrounds, because I used to do that. It just didn't look too good. Okay, so if you can't find what you want, you just go to beach. And that's what I'm thinking right now. I kind of want to go. Okay, let's go to sand. And this is where I got the crab. You just drag and drop, okay? Left click, hold, and drag and drop. That's it. Real easy, okay? Now, this is what I did with this triangles. I took the triangles, I got it from the elements. So I got from here called the recently used. Now you can use anything, but the reason I like this is you're able to put the picture in there. Oops. Let's just see all, excuse me for a minute, just bear with me. Actually, it's not this one. It's called frames. I'm so sorry. It's frames. So it puts the frames on your picture, okay? So if you're tired of the square blocks, we're gonna use frames, all right? So let's just do this one. We're gonna make this different. Let's put a B. Now, once you got that, go to the photos, and these photos are royalty free, okay? So you could use this. See? Ain't that cool? And then you just hit your shift button and hold button, or without the shift button, you can still do it. It's no problem. We go back to elements, and I'm gonna spell out beach, okay? I'm gonna do something different than this one. Let's go to beach here. This is a really cool program, and okay. Oops, go to elements. So remember, if you go to elements, you want to go to frames, and frames is the ones that you could put picture in and things like that inside the frame. So you basically, this is the frame. You could put a picture in there. All right. Now you notice this has the watermark, and in order to remove the watermark, you click here, but you have to subscribe. Actually, you have to not subscribe, you have to purchase. You have to purchase this picture. So, but for now, we're just gonna use this for a while. And you could also put your own picture in there, your photo. Okay. So just bear with me here because I have to spell it out. I have to spell out beach. Okay, I just got a few more to go. All right. And H, okay? So this is the last one. Let's go back to photos and we'll pick out, remember, if you can't find what you want, go here, beach. Hit enter, and we'll put this person there, okay? Now, if the background doesn't complement what you're trying to do, all you have to do is go back to it. And just drag and drop. There you go. Now, the main thing with graphic design, the thing with it, it's just all about eyeing things. So you make sure everything's kind of balanced to the eye, where the eye is going to see. Oh, I misspelled it. It's still God. So I think you get it. Now this is the feature that Microsoft 365 or Google don't have, but this is free. You can sign up for it. Not hard. Now see, here's the thing. This is what I was talking about. You have to like eye things and make sure everything fits together. I don't know where I'm going to put this H because it's not fitting what I want it. Now, if that's behind, you want to click on that, right click, and then bring to forward. There you go. I don't know if that makes sense. Well, you get what I'm saying. Okay, so let's do this. The hard part about designing is just having to eye things and make it perfect, to the viewer. That's the hard part. Coming up with the design, the illustration and colors, it's the easy way. Having to come up with the design, it's not. I mean, the balance, you want the symmetrical balance. See, I don't know if that's balanced enough, but it's better than nothing. Okay, let's just keep there. I don't want to spend too much time on this. All right, so if you want to put text on it, you could choose any of these. Now you don't want anything you want something that complements this. So I think this is the best one. There's things you could download, but if you sign up for a premium version, oops. You sign up for a premium version, you'll be able to get more features, okay? You get more downloads and things like that. Oops. No. Wait a minute. Okay. So the background is okay, but there's a little too much pink to it. It's kind of, so what you want to do, you click the background, you hit effects right here. Oh, not effects, I'm sorry, filter. And you want to experiment on everything. You want to do red. You don't want you want the colors to come out, like this. It comes out to you. It comes out to you. Make this a little bit brighter. Okay. Okay, you want to keep your poster as simple as possible. You don't want to put too much text on it because people don't have time to read. They just like to go past things and that's it. If the picture looks good, the text looks good, the balance, it has to be balanced. This is not perfectly balanced, but you know, I'm talking, you know what I mean when it comes to placing everything where the eye view is. That's what I mean. And this is not perfectly balanced. Oh, geez. This takes a little bit of practice to be coordinated. So now what's one thing lacking? I need some shadows here. And I'm trying to remember where I put it. Shadows. Okay, class, hold on for a minute. Let's do this. I'm gonna put something. I think I feel there's missing there. Something's missing. Let's put that in there. See how it looks. Nope, I don't like that. Nope. Nope, too dark. I'll just stick to that. And you wanna do that. So it's supposed to be lived to life. So we're gonna change this lettering here. Actually, let's add another one down here. No, not that. That's too much. Put that right there. So on your own time, you could play around with this. I like this better. I don't know what to say here, so I'll just put now. And then you could use that to, you see that little dot there? You could just use it to skew things. I think I should change that font. The font doesn't look too good. Let's do script. But you are your own artist and you'll be able to do this on your own, and everyone has different styles of doing things. It's not very hard to do. Now you could do it on Word if you want to. You could use the templates. It does have some limitation. It's not gonna look as good as this, I tell you that. So this is really made for, oops. Now, if you don't have a slogan, and what you do, you just go here, go to Google, and slogan generator. You know what a slogan is, right? So you free slogan generator. If you can't think of any type of words and you say you want to do beach, you just click beach, and this will give you some ideas. This is copyright free. You could use it. You could use any of this as your idea. Think beach, get in my beach, Wear beach. Beacherific. All beach all the time. Beach for everybody. See? So this is called the free slogan maker. All right. So they're all over the internet now. Oops. Okay. Nagi, can you unmute?
Yes.
Thank you. Everybody, what do you think?
Okay, guys, you can unmute yourselves, please.
It is pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, I'm showing y'all this so y'all could do this in your own time. You know, this is not for a grade or anything. I'm just showing you how to do this. So all you have to do is sign up.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Do you have a question?
Let's say what you did. Can I copy and paste that into Word?
Oh, this. Okay, that's a good question. Okay, there's one thing I forgot to tell you, class. Once you're done, okay,
Right.
you could save this right here. Actually, it says all changes are saved. So it was automatically save it for you. Or you can save it to a folder in your desktop. Okay, but right now, just say if you want to just download, you go right here. You see that?
Yeah.
Download. And actually, let me just take this over here. Now you take the drop down menu right here and you want to do PNG. Okay. Hold on for a minute. It wants me to pay. I'm not paying. Okay. There's a limited download. let's just see if there's another way to do this. Okay, hold on. Let's just PNG. Because it wants me to pay. Last time it didn't make me pay, but there's like if you do subscription. But if you're new, you don't have to pay anything. But if you download a certain amount of images, then they'll make you pay for a while. Okay, so but if you don't want to pay, I think you could save this to a folder. Let's just make a.
Maybe it's the size that's why they want you to pay.
But you know what? There's a thing in your PC. I don't know if some of y'all have Mac, but even Mac has a tool that you're able to cut and do a screenshot. Okay, so what you do, you take the sniping tool, you call snipping for PC users. Snipping tool, see that? And I think everyone has it. If you don't have it, you could download it for free. And what you do, you just select it, and there you go, boom. And I'm just gonna save it under my download. All right, it's under portable network graphics file, PNG. So that's what you want to save it to. Save it there. Now we're gonna go to.
What's the difference between a snap and screenshot?
Snap is I never use Snap, but are you talking about screenshot?
Yes.
I don't. It's almost the same, I think. Yeah, because sometimes it's just a name difference.
Okay.
A screenshot is something. All right, here's your question. Okay, you create a new document. Now, remember, when you're a new user, it's free to download, okay, and save the file. But after a while, downloading, they kind of make you pay. So here you go. You go under Insert. So you want to go right here under Pictures Group to Pictures, and you choose the file, and you find your file, insert it, and hopefully it comes out nice. But if not, no big deal. And just make it bigger. Oops. There you go.
Nice.
There's your poster.
Very beautiful.
That's your poster.
Yes,
All
very
you have
nice.
to do is print it out. Now, there's one thing I have to show you before we go. We're gonna go to vistaprint.com. This is another service I use. and you take that file that you just downloaded as PNG, make sure you sign in, and then just, man, you could make banners, you could make, oh my gosh, bulletin boards, tablecloths, you name it. Look at this, restroom signs, car magnets with your picture on it is great. Your business card, marketing materials, okay? Marketing materials, you could just upload your file and they'll print it out for you, okay? This is business card, but I'm looking for posters. Let's go posters. Okay, here we go. These are posters and they come different sizes. And you got bulk posters, you got 25 starting $22.08. You got poster rails, you got things that hang up. Now, if you ever notice you went to a convention, they have a lot of stuff there. They get it from this, okay? And the prices here are very reasonable. I think Computer Core needs to use this too if we're ever gonna do a convention.
You're right.
Yeah, the price for this one is very cheap compared to the other ones I've shopped for. So all you have to do is type poster, actually sign in and just upload your artwork or your poster and just tell them how big you want it. So remember, the bigger it is, the more expensive it'll be. It'll be like around roughly like 30 bucks for that size poster. I don't know if you can see it, that one, or that one. That one is huge. So that's one of my illustration anyway. So let's go up here.
We didn't see them because you're sharing your screen.
Am I sharing my screen?
No, I'm saying we didn't see the posters in your room because we're looking at your screen because you're sharing screen.
Oh, at the
I'm lucky because I have two screens, so I can see what you're doing on the other end, but most of my classmates don't.
Okay, so let me stop sharing and I'm gonna show you my screen.
No, we can see them. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so that's one of it. That's
Yeah.
one of them. This is
Wow.
the bigger one. This is 35, I think 38 by 45 or something. Now, you know how much I paid for that? It's like 40 bucks. I don't know if the price went cheaper, but you don't want anything that big. Okay. Now, this one I did back a long time ago, and that one was a while back. But just for your recreation, I do this for a hobby. It's for fun. And those who wants to do art, people get tired of text, you know, all kinds of. But that's about it. That's all I can show y'all right now. But class, if y'all have any questions, actually with the projects, I could give you the one-on-one. I have to look at my schedule because I think this week's gonna be pretty busy for me. I'm gonna see if there's a time slot for me for this week for me to go one-on-one, and then I'm gonna try to do Saturday with y'all and Sunday and Monday, okay? And I'm gonna, some of y'all a little bit behind, but I could help you through it. And I mean, that's if you're willing to learn. I could help you through it and it'll be easy. And we'll get through this. Nagia, how long do we have for this class?
Let me look at the schedule because it's really up to you, Marco, if you like to teach not just the end of this month, also the first week of September. It's up to you. But we are about to plan for the next semester starting in September for the fall.
Okay, great. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get everybody caught up with those projects. And that way you be able to, you know, take what you learned from Computer Core, okay? As any of those who did not complete the test, just try your best and it's fine if you don't make it by the end of the time. That's no problem. I mean, just do your best, okay? My main concern is that you guys learn whatever, you know, the basics I've shown you. And that way you'll be able to go out and start working. All right. Nagi, you still got to record, right?
Yes.
Good, good, good.
Definitely I am. Mhm.
How you gonna give that to me?
I can download it on my computer and then forward it to you.
Okay,
I've done it before.
you might want to put it on OneDrive or Google Drive. The file's gonna be big.
Exactly. It's actually, I need to put it in Google Drive. That's how I did it last time.
Okay, okay. Well, class, if whenever you have time, if you could have fun with this, just don't forget canva.com. I'm gonna post this on YouTube if you guys don't mind, but if you don't want to
This
be a
is what I will
star,
ask you for.
Yeah, that's better.
That's
Right.
yeah, I'll put it on YouTube if you guys don't mind, because I have your picture in there. But what I'm gonna do is just put it there. You could just review it.
Thank you.
Just in case we do one-on-one, if you want me to show it to you, that's fine. I'll show it to you again.
Yeah, I would like to do that.
Okay, yeah.
This is my first time here.
Oh,
Yeah.
is your first time?
Yes, Maria is just interested to, she heard a lot about your class. She just wanted to see, but I hope you enjoyed it, Maria.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you
this
for
is the
coming.
last class for Marco?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Perfect.
Well, I'm trying to
Perfect.
get everyone caught up. So I know some of y'all behind, some of y'all finished. So what I'm gonna do, even if you're finished, if you still want to get with me and learn new stuff, that's fine. I mean, I'm gonna make time for y'all. I gotta have to map out my schedule because I'm taking CCNA certification classes online, so it's pretty hard. I have to juggle around that, plus work, and plus I'm doing something with the project with people I know from Florida. So I'm doing that too. So that's about it. I think.
Thank you so much, Mark.
Oh, you're
We
welcome.
appreciate you a lot.
You're
Yes.
welcome. We're gonna end it right now because it's 2:46. So
Okay,
but
thank you so much.
I don't have
We
anything
appreciate
else
it.
to lecture.
And if anyone has questions, you can always email Marco.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
Nadia, thank you.
I'll do one-on-one, and if y'all really need help with the project or have any, if you want me to show this stuff to y'all again, that's fine. 'Cause there's
Hi,
more.
Mark.
There's so much to learn in canva.com. If you go to canva.com, it's like having Photoshop in your for free.
Najia, we need the class for that.
For the
Especially-
canva.com,
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Okay.
Like, yeah,
It's-
we need
it's
a
a great
special
class.
class. Yeah,
I will
It's-
definitely have that documented for the future.
yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Can we get that an email or something? That information?
Yes, we will.
Yeah, you want me to email it the
Mhm.
site to you? Okay, I'll email two sites.
And I will let you know, Marco, about Maria's information since she is interested in your class.
Oh, great! Thank you,
Yeah, he
Maria.
has YouTube channel too.
Thank you, Mark, too.
Oh, anytime. Yes.
You too for all of us.
Okay, I'll see y'all. Bye bye.
Let's let
Bye.
Marco
Thank
go
you so
because
much.
he's very busy. Thank
Bye.
you to everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care.
Bye.
Bye bye.